Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a font to your iPad. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into the App Store and you're going to search for the app AnyFont. This is a free app, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. Then I'm going to hit open, allow. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And now we're going to go into your Start Here file. So when you purchase any font, you do get a Start Here file. We are in the video tutorial right now. So I'm going to go ahead and go to download your files, and I'm going to make sure I tap on it with my finger, and I'm going to go ahead and hit open. It is going to open Safari to Google Drive. All I'm going to do is tap on the font. It says no preview available, but I'm going to hit download, and it came up here to this little arrow. I'm going to go ahead and tap on it again, and I'm going to hit the box with the little arrow, and I'm going to open it in AnyFont. If you do not see the app AnyFont, go ahead and hit more, and you should find it under suggestions if you have downloaded the app. Then once I hit AnyFont, I can go ahead and tap on the font, and I'm going to install it. I'm going to allow, and then it's asking me to go into settings. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to come into settings. And you are going to get this little profile downloaded here, and you're going to go ahead and install your font by adding your password. Hit next, install, done. And that is how you can upload your font. So now when you come in your digital planner, let's just say I want this to be in the Poppy font. I'm actually going to just highlight this, and I'm going to choose the Poppy font. That should pop up down here. And as you can see, that kind of changed there. That is the Poppy font. Now, in order to save your Poppy font as a default, what you can do, this is on GoodNotes. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Poppy font. So now whenever I want to use my font, I do have the scribble feature on. I'm going to write testing. And now my font is on GoodNotes, and I can use it all across. I can also use it just as typing with my keyboard. And then a cool thing about this Poppy font, depends on which font you downloaded, this Poppy font, when you go into the little asterisk, the little star, it actually brings up a smiley face instead of that little star. So that's something fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this specific font. Now let's talk about how to download your fonts to your computers. The same thing, I'm going to go to download your files. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap on the actual font, and I'm going to hit download. Then it's going to come up here to my download section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Fontbook. And all I'm going to do is grab my font, and I'm going to drag it into my font book, and it should populate on its own. So now let's just find it. And here is the font. Now I want to test it out, so I'm going to come into my digital planner, and all I'm going to do is grab a text, and I already have the font right there, Poppy. Hello, testing. And you can also, like I said, do a little smiley. Depending on which font you got, this specific font does have that smiley. And that is how you download a font to your computer. If you have any questions at all, if you have Windows, go ahead and YouTube how to download a font to YouTube. But this is how you do it on your iPad and on your computer. Bye, everybody.